Hi, I'm Jose Cherian. I'm currently doing my BSc in Sound Engineering from the True School of Music. It has been 3 years since I've been enrolled in this course and I'm currently in my third year first term. I chose the BSc Sound Engineering program here at True School of Music because as the internet offers me a lot of information, I always used to stumble upon concepts which was really difficult for me to understand, and having someone to guide me throughout the way in understanding these concepts is a very valuable thing as a learner every day. And here at True School, when I have my mentors and teachers teaching me every day and clearing all my doubts whatever I have, that's very valuable for me. So hence I've chosen the course here at True School of Music. Here at True School of Music, being offered equipment such as the SSL AWS 900 Plus, the Soundcraft VI1 has been a great opportunity for me. For an enthusiast like me who has always dreamt of using an SSL or a Neve, getting to use a SSL board on a day-to-day basis helps me understand the sound engineering fundamentals in a much deeper format. So far, my experience here at True School has been really great. Working with ensembles on a day-to-day basis and working in the studio on a day-to-day basis has helped me strengthen my fundamentals in sound engineering and made me a better engineer, I feel. And the faculty here at True School of Music has been really encouraging and motivating for me. I've learned a lot of things throughout my journey here at True School. Getting feedbacks from the faculty on a day-to-day basis on how am I doing in my sound engineering journey has been really important to me, and it has helped me shape my sound engineering career in a much better format. If you are interested in sound engineering, I'm looking forward to seeing you all here at True School of Music.